Meaning of dissolute.
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 Dissolute. The term dissolute refers to someone who lacks moral restraint and self-control, especially in matters related to pleasures such as indulging in excessive drinking, gambling, or sexual activity. Such behavior often leads to negative consequences, including physical, emotional, and financial harm, as well as strained relationships with family and friends. Continuously engaging in dissolute behavior can also lead to serious addiction issues, health problems, and legal troubles. Overall, a dissolute lifestyle tends to bring a lot of instability and unhappiness into a person's life.